Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bake mini choco chip cookies. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel to watch other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you would like to watch next. We also show some quick and easy hacks to try at home. Now to start off with the video, first you'll need 45 grams of unsalted butter, which is at room temperature. It should be soft and nice, like this. To this, I'll add in 8 grams of powdered sugar. With the help of a spatula, I'll mix them together. I'm gonna mix it till the powdered sugar crumbs are combined well together with the butter. After mixing it well, I'm gonna add in 50 grams of all-purpose flour. I've also mentioned all the quantities below in the description. You can check them out. Now give it a good mix. This is a very simple recipe. You don't need any hand blender or whiskers or anything. You just need a spatula. Make sure you combine the dough very well. After combining it well, you can see I've got a very nice and smooth dough. It's a little sticky, but that's how you want it to be. To this, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of milk to make the texture more smooth. Give it one last mix. And the batter is now ready. Now for the next step, I've taken a piping bag and I've made a small cut at the end of it. Then I'm taking a round nozzle and I'm going to fill it up with the batter. After filling it up with the batter, squeeze it until it comes to the end, like this. Next, I'm going to take a baking tray and I'll line it with the parchment paper. Please ignore the marks. I had made choco chips earlier. To know an easy way to make choco chips, check out the link in the description below. Next, I'm just going to pipe small ones like this, but you can change the size depending on how small or big you want the cookies to be. You can see I'm first pressing it and then I'm going to make rolls like this. I'm going to do the same way with all of them. To this, I'm going to add in the choco chips. Again guys, I've made a very simple video on how to make choco chips. Please check out the link in the description below. You can put as many choco chips as you like. I'd suggest you to not overfill it. Next, I'm going to take the tray and pop it in the preheated oven for at least 16 to 18 minutes for 150 or 160 degree temperature. There you go. The mini choco chip cookies are now ready. If you don't want it to be flat like this, I'd suggest you pop it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before putting it in the oven to give it more shape. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.